Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your destination for sophisticated home and outdoor living inspiration. Today, we're delving into the art of creating captivating outdoor spaces with a focal point that exudes warmth and sophistication, the outdoor fireplace on your deck. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A well-designed outdoor fireplace can transform an ordinary deck into an extraordinary extension of your home, a place for year-round enjoyment. Let's begin by understanding the true meaning of an outdoor fireplace designed for decks. It's more than just placing a fire feature outdoors. It's about seamlessly integrating a fire element into the existing deck structure and surrounding environment, creating a harmonious and functional space. This means considering factors like safety, materials, scale, and the overall aesthetic of your home. The fireplace should enhance the deck's purpose, whether for intimate gatherings, family meals, or quiet evenings under the stars. It's about creating an outdoor room, a true extension of your living space. Now, what are the tangible benefits of incorporating an outdoor fireplace into your deck design? The advantages are numerous. Firstly, it extends the usable season of your deck. Even on cooler evenings, the warmth of a fire creates a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Secondly, it adds significant value to your property, making it a desirable feature for potential buyers. Thirdly, a well-designed fireplace serves as a stunning focal point, enhancing the visual appeal of your outdoor space. It naturally draws people together, fostering conversation and creating lasting memories. Finally, it creates an ambience that's hard to replicate with other outdoor features. The flickering flames and gentle warmth provide a sense of relaxation and tranquility. The question then becomes: how should you decorate your deck with an outdoor fireplace to achieve a truly cohesive and stylish look? The key is to create a sense of balance and harmony. Start by considering the architectural style of your home and extend that style onto the deck. Choose materials for the fireplace that complement the existing deck materials and the surrounding landscape. Then, introduce comfortable seating arrangements that encourage conversation and relaxation. Outdoor rugs can define the space and add a touch of warmth underfoot. Strategic lighting, such as string lights, lanterns, or spotlights, can enhance the ambience and create a magical atmosphere after dark. Consider adding elements of nature, such as potted plants or vertical gardens, to soften the hardscape and create a more inviting environment. The goal is to create a space that feels both inviting and sophisticated, a true extension of your interior living space. What are the best items to enhance your outdoor fireplace design on a deck? Functionality and aesthetics should go hand in hand. A sturdy fire screen is essential for safety, preventing embers from escaping. Consider incorporating built-in storage for firewood, keeping it readily accessible and neatly organized. Comfortable outdoor furniture, such as lounge chairs, sofas, and ottomans, is crucial for creating a comfortable and inviting seating area. Add outdoor pillows and throws for pops of color and texture. An outdoor rug can define the space and add a touch of warmth. Consider adding a small side table for drinks and snacks. Finally, don't forget about the ambient lighting. String lights, lanterns, and pathway lights can create a magical atmosphere in the evening. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 inspiring outdoor fireplace design ideas for decks to inspire you for your next project. 1. Modern concrete fireplace. Sleek and minimalist, this design features clean lines and a smooth concrete finish, perfect for contemporary homes. 2. Stone veneer fireplace. This classic option adds a touch of rustic charm with natural stone facing, blending seamlessly with natural landscapes. 3. Brick fireplace with chimney. A traditional choice that exudes warmth and nostalgia, often featuring a prominent chimney. 4. Prefabricated metal fireplace. A cost-effective and easy-to-install option, often available in various styles and finishes. 5. Fire pit table with surround. A versatile option that combines a fire pit with a table surface, ideal for smaller decks. 6. Corner fireplace. A space-saving solution that fits neatly into a corner of the deck, maximizing usable space. 7. Double-sided fireplace. This design creates a visual connection between two distinct areas of the deck, perfect for larger spaces. 8. Outdoor fireplace with pergola. This design combines a fireplace with a covered structure, creating a defined outdoor room. 9. Fireplace with built-in seating. This design integrates seating directly into the fireplace structure, creating a cozy and intimate gathering space. 10. Tile-clad fireplace. This option allows for a high degree of customization with a wide range of tile colors, patterns, and textures. In closing, designing an outdoor fireplace for your deck is an investment in your home and your lifestyle. It creates a space for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature. By carefully considering the design elements we've discussed, you can create an outdoor oasis that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Be sure to subscribe for more home decor and design tips, and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below sharing your favorite outdoor fireplace design ideas. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.